Concerned about the safety of children when in school, the Lagos State government has provided its primary schools with first aid boxes. At the official presentation and distribution of these boxes, the chairman of the Lagos State Universal Basic Education Board, Honorable Wahab Alawiyekin, said the distribution of the first aid kits is part of the Safe Learning Environment initiative of the Babajide Sanwo-Olu administration.
This is part of the Safe Learning Environment initiative of Mr. Governor to make sure that our pupils continue to learn in a safe and secure environment. You know, our school is very, is a place where pupils spend most of their time. And as a result of that, we must have something to be available in case of accident. That is why Mr. Governor thought it fails and deemed it wise that it is necessary to have all this to complement what we already have in our schools.
Board member in charge of co-curricular activities, Mrs. Sherifat Adedoyin, said efforts are being made to ensure that the government continuously refills the first aid boxes when the contents get exhausted.
We just need to create more awareness to let our people not to relent on their efforts, not to relax, that COVID-19 is still very much around. We still need to go back to all the safety protocols as indicated by the state government and the federal government. We just have to be safe. We just have to protect ourselves, protect our loved ones, and protect our pupils, especially the young ones.
Another board member, Mr. Dayo Israel, said the presentation of the first aid kits is the beginning of equipping public schools' sick bays.
Children, don't you want to be complete? So that we can raise the total child that is complete in all things. And so with this significant activity, we see that our children are going to receive also healthcare support in their schools.
The first aid kits contain several medical supplies needed for administering first aid during emergencies. Beneficiaries applauded the Lagos State government.
The governor has really done a very great thing to us because he has understood that there's need for us to have the first aid box in the school because our pupils, they are bound to go, they are bound to engage in so many activities, especially during the sporting activities and during their leisure time.
All the 1,017 public primary schools in the state will be given these first aid kits. And Lasubeb says it will not relent in training and retraining its workforce on health-related issues periodically.